Okay, so I got off school early today, right? And so I'm here now with this flight, but I don't know where Eric is. Here's his stuff, that's where he sleeps. No one's here. Oh, I think I just missed him. Maybe he went on a walk with his dad. Dang it, because I wanted to go. Going to the Great Abyss. Nothing in there. Can't go in there. Nothing in there. Nope. There he is. You can hear him snoring. Watch this. Give me all your money. Give me all your money. Don't pay attention to me then, whatever. Can't I ditch school for you? I love this pot. I love it.
Did you walk here?
I've been here forever.
Your mom?
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
She dropped me off around 9. Geez, you couldn't have woken up when I first tried to wake you up? And let's hope that one worked. Extreme close up on his face.
Oh, product mask class.
What?
I'll put it right there. Right in front of my bed.
Underneath your bed.
It was right there.
It was underneath the bed. It was right. You just pulled it out. What is wrong with this light? Jeez Louise, it's like flickering. I don't like that. All right. Boop. 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 Ooh, first player. Yeah. Yeah. That's me. That's me. Oh, let's see who's online. Uh-huh. 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 Got 6 friends online. Oh. 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 There we go. Uh-huh. Jake's on. Cool. Cool. Alright. 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 Let's see what we can do. Okay. Alright, got a few friends on. You know, we'll invite Jake to a party. You remember Jake, right? Yeah, I'm sure you do. Not. He's not very memorable. I'm gonna invite Nick, who is actually, it's probably Brittany right now. But still. Yeah. Alright. This is the highlight of my life today. Another chill day. Thank goodness Thomas vlogged while I was sleeping, because I wouldn't have anything if it wasn't for him. Entonces, therefore, I hope you liked the Spanish. That was fun. It was cool translating that for you, because I understand it. I'm hungry. We need to eat dinner. Shut up, TV. Shut up. Pause.